This is how to make jam coconut sponge cake. Some of my family prefer lighter, fluffier cakes, whilst others prefer a denser crumb, and for this recipe I try to reach a middle ground. It's really simple and gives you a light, fluffy sponge cake which isn't dry and pairs really well with custard. Start by creaming room temperature butter and sugar, whisking until your butter is very soft and pale in colour. Then add room temperature eggs one at a time, whisking in between each addition to prevent your batter splitting and curdling, and keep beating your batter until it's light and fluffy and well combined. At this point, add some good quality vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract and just quickly mix that through before adding your self-raising flour and baking powder. Fold the flour through your mix until just combined. It may seem like your batter is a little dry at this point, and then add your room temperature whole milk and fold this through your batter as well. Room temperature ingredients just help to keep your batter as smooth as possible and help your ingredients emulsify together, which gives you a better final product when baked. Spread your batter evenly in a large tray and try to tap out the air bubbles. My family were sleeping at this point, so I couldn't really bash my tray like I wanted to, but really smack out those air bubbles. Bake between 160 and 180°C for 35 to 40 minutes. My parents' oven tends to run a little hotter than my own, so I baked mine at 160°C, and even then it darkened slightly more than expected. You know your oven best. But anyway, I digress. Allow your cake to cool before spreading plenty of raspberry jam all over the top. Heating your jam slightly makes it much easier to spread. Then sprinkle with plenty of desiccated coconut, making sure you get those corners too, and that's all there is to it. Slice your cake and serve. My family love to have theirs with strawberry flavoured custard. Personally, I prefer this cake just as it is. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and thank you for watching.